Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord water pump. First, ensure your engine is cool before starting. Begin by draining all the old coolant from both the radiator and the engine block. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Finally, carefully remove any parts, like the serpentine belt or pulleys, that might block your access to the water pump itself. This preparation ensures a smoother replacement process. Now that you have clear access, it's time to remove the old pump. Start by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the belt. Then, disconnect any remaining hoses attached to the water pump and unbolt all the fasteners holding it in place. Be sure to keep track of all bolts. With everything detached, gently pry the old water pump away from the engine block. It might be a bit stubborn, so take your time. With the old pump out, prepare for the new installation. First, meticulously clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a perfect, leak-free seal. Any old gasket material or debris must be removed. Next, apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant to the new water pump gasket, if required, or directly to the pump's mating surface. Carefully position the new water pump and secure it with all bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque. You're almost done. Reconnect all the hoses, reattach the serpentine belt, and finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture, making sure to bleed any air from the system. Start the engine, let it warm up, and check for any leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.